teller machine, even from somebody we know that has it. We don't give a fuck. We enter the motherfucker and tell him we need the money with the sticks. He even sees us with the blanket and masks. They know when we like that, we red. We don't give a fuck. We can shoot like now. You know, actually you don't know shit. What's under the blanket? We can help.